Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fade background in Google Slides. So if you want to fade your background in Google Drive, here's how you can get it done. The first thing you have to do is locate the slide that has the background you want to fade. So right here I have a collection of different images and I would love to fade this particular image right here. So I'm just going to tap on it, then tap on this three dot icon, which is the more button. Tap on it, then another option is going to pop down, which is format option. Tap on the format option, then you see the format option at the left side, at the right side of your screen. So from there just tap on adjustment, then you can play around with the opacity of the image. So the more you decrease it, the more the image fade. So I'm just going to apply this to others as well. You can see this, then you can also do the same for all other image. Just try and reduce the opacity of the image, then the same thing with this. Try and decrease the opacity, then the one in the middle, apply the same settings to it. You can use this, then you can with this or probably add a text box to it. Then you make your slide presentation, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.